Looking for the best ILIFE robot vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 ILIFE robot vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, ILIFE V5s. Easy to schedule and run automatically. Can control the robot in real time with the included remote control. Self-charging features keep the vacuum powered. A good, budget-friendly robot cleaner from ILIFE that offers basic cleaning features. Louder than other ILIFE robot options. Moves randomly, often covering the same location multiple times. At number 2, ILIFE V5s. The vacuum uses a more powerful, more robust motor to suck up more challenging debris. Can handle pet hair and stains by mopping up hardwood floors. The best value robot cleaner from ILIFE, geared for use on hard flooring like wood and tile. Poor mopping performance. Limited tank doesn't distribute the water uniformly. At number 1, ILIFE A6. Can handle different floor types like hardwood and low-pile carpeted floors automatically. Comes with a boundary definer to keep the vacuum contained to a single room. An ideal, all-around ILIFE robotic vacuum cleaner designed for general use on a variety of floor types. Due to poor filter placement, the vacuum can clog up before debris hits the dust bin. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.